If you want to turn your
or
pictures
images into beautiful Ghibli images.
like this, then watch this video, because I'll be showing you all the steps needed to turn your picture
Or photo into beautiful Ghibli images.
Go to your browser and type PixVerse, and then hit enter. I'll give you some time to load. Once you are here, you need to create an account. Come and click on login.
And then click on sign up right here.
By the way,
There is a mobile application.
so you can download this from Play Store or Apple Store
So right here, you can input your username.
by just typing any random name, and then you input your email. And then you put your password. Confirm it now. I'm not going to use my password.
Because this platform gives 60 credit.
Free 60 credit every single day,
I'll be using a temporary email.
so that I can keep creating and
Creating account and then getting the free.
credit to do everything or anything that I want.
The free.
The temporary email I'm going to use is called tempmyilo.com. tempmyilo.com, so we hit enter. This is it. I'll just click here and change this email.
Now anytime you want to create an account,
You come here and change the email, and then copy it and paste.
if a message is sent,
You come back to this particular website, and then click here.
and then check what is written in the mail.
I'll copy this email address. I'll go back to Pix's,
And then I will input it right here.
so I will copy part of this. And then I will use it as my password, and I'll paste it here.
I will confirm by pasting the same here.
And then I'll click here to verify as a human.
Then I will click on continue.
A verification code has been sent to that particular email. So I'll go back to 10 Mellow and then let me refresh it.
Look at the email here.
I don't need to, so just wait a little bit, and this is the email here.
I will click and open, and then I will copy this code.
Then I'll go back to PixVerse,
And I will paste it right here.
so I'll have to verify this. And then after verification, I'll click on continue. Alright, so a new account will give you 90 credit. But every day, if you are still using the same account, you'll be giving free 60 credit now once we're here.
There are so many things we can do in this particular
Platform, so let's click on effect. I'll click on effect. And then these are all the effects that you can use to create any video of your choice.
There are just so many things you can do here.
But for the purpose of this video,
I'm going with this Ghibli and video images.
I'll click on this particular one here. Look at it here, I'll click on it. And then I'll come here and upload the image.
I want to change or turn into this particular Ghibli.
I'll click here, and then I'll go to my download.
I already have an
image I want to use,
So I'll just click here and then I'll click on open.
and that image will be uploaded here. So let's wait for it to upload. Alright, so look at the image here. Now you don't need to do anything here.
Just leave it the way it is here.
Don't write anything here. The thing has been written here for you. I would just come here and click here. Now, if you want your image to come out in high resolution or very clear, click on Tubo and then select 720. This 720 will use about 60 credit. Alright, but if you select the other one, if you select this 1080, you need to subscribe to have this 1080. This one we use 45 credit. I will just go with 720 and then I will create. I will click on create. The image is being changed now. Let us wait for it to finish.
Now, let me just quickly explain some things. And if we go to effect,
sometimes you may see some videos. You see Jesus Christ hugging somebody, or you see someone kissing someone or pictures.
look at this one here now, look at this one.
All these are effect. Now look at this. Confluence Club, all right. I believe
You saw this trend that was happening the other time.
Now look at this. There's this one Jesus Christ hugging someone here. If you want to use any of the effects here, just click on that particular image and then upload the image or video you want to use. And that's it. But the image is still generating. Let us wait. You can leave it and go and do something else. And then come back in like 3 minutes and the image will be generated for you.
If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Also share so that more people can see it.
I believe you are seeing what is happening, right? That particular image has been turned
into a very beautiful Ghibli video. You can just go ahead and click on download.